Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial about how you can branch and merge LiveDocs in Polarion. We will split this tutorial into two short videos. So the first video is about how to branch LiveDocs in Polarion, and the second video is about how to branch and merge LiveDocs in Polarion. So let's start with the first one, how to branch and merge LiveDocs. First of all, let's take a specific use case for this topic today, for this tutorial. Let's talk about the new Polarion eCar. So what we would like to do in this tutorial today is we would like to branch and merge master requirements of this Polarion eCar for two different new Polarion eCar models by focusing only on the requirements of distance range. So let's have a look on our initial situation. For our master Polarion eCar, we would like to have a target range of about 200 kilometers distance. But by using the AC, for example, it could be that we only reach about 150 kilometers, or by using a sport mode, only 120 kilometers. But our minimum range should be about 100 kilometers. So these four parameters about the distance range are our four master requirements for our different Polarion eCar models. Also, let's have a look about our two Polarion eCar models. We have our Polarion eCar model A, which doesn't have any sport mode, and we have our Polarion eCar model B with different sport modes, so mode 1 and 2. This is the initial situation for our two eCar models. So what we would like to do right now is to branch the master requirements of our Polarion eCar to use them to reuse them for our Polarion eCar model A. To do so, you click on your dashboard on the Master Client Specification button on the right side. After this, you will be redirected directly to the master requirements. On the left side of the navigation bar, you can see right now or currently we only have one document, the Master System Requirement Specification. And how you can identify master requirements. Master requirements you can identify by solid bars. So all the requirements which have solid bars are master requirements. Right now is the question how you can branch these master requirements. So this is really easy in Polarion. So what you can do is on the toolbar on the top on the left side, you go on Properties and say Branch. After this, the system will ask you to change the name of your branch document. And here you can just give the title Model A, System Requirement Specification, and click OK. After this, Polarion adds automatically a branch document of Model A. So right now, on the navigation bar on the left side, you will find a second document, not only the Master System Requirement Specification, but also the Model A System Requirement Specification. And here in this document, you will find dotted bars, and these dotted bars identify branch requirements. So as we remember, our Model A doesn't have a sport mode. So what we have to do right now is we have to remove this requirement from our document Model A. So, and this is also really easy in Polarion. So you only have to click on the work item and say remove. But important to know right now is that the removal in Model A document doesn't affect the master document because you have only removed a branched requirement. But on the other side, every change in the master document, so for example, in this case, we changed the first requirement from 200 kilometers to 300 kilometers. This change will affect the Model A document. So in this case, you can see that also in Model A, in the Model A document, you will see the change to 300 kilometers. So let's imagine a case you don't want some requirements of the Model A document to be affected by changes in the master document. So for example, you are sure that you would like to have the distance of 200 kilometers in your Model A document. So what you can do right now is you can freeze this requirement by clicking the work item and say freeze. Then you can choose the desired revision by clicking the revision button. And you can see all the revisions made in this document. So you can take, for example, here in this example, the latest version for freezing the status. So, and finally, you have to save your document. And after this, every change in the master document won't affect your Model A document. So this was the first part of the tutorial how you can branch and merge LiveDocs in Polarion. This was a short overview about how you can branch LiveDocs in Polarion. Please feel free to have a look into the second video right now, how you can not only branch but also merge content in LiveDocs in Polarion. And otherwise, if you have further questions, please get in touch with me. Happy working!